What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and we've got another unboxing for you today. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. And I am not wasting any of your time. I'm actually going right through the unboxing, through the intro. So let's see what we got in here. We have, some headphones. Okay. Now, I've actually owned TOZO headphones before, but not over-ear headphones. I've actually used their wireless earbuds, and I bought those on my own accord on Amazon, and they were actually really good. I actually still use those earbuds while my wife has a very nice set of Galaxy Pro buds, but I actually really like the TOZOs, and they're a great price, and you can't really beat it. So let's see what these are all about. We have adaptive hybrid noise canceling. We have 40mm dynamic driver units. That's going to give us some really nice bass. Lightweight design, and it has a TOZO app so you can customize the EQ and all that stuff. That's actually really, really useful. Large capacity battery, and it supports Bluetooth and aux in. That's really great to hear. So this is the HT2 model of noise canceling headphones. They do have different colors available, it looks like. Quite a few. So we got the black one, but they have white, beige, pink, gray, red, light red, or I guess dark red, and then a bright red, and then a nice blue, baby blue, navy blue, something like that. Like baby blue, I guess. And let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. So let's get the knife again, and we're gonna open that. All right, so here's the box, and we can simply pull the top off here. It says designed by TOZO in California. I didn't know they were based in California. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, look how those are held in there. So it has a lot of articulation there. We're gonna get back to that soon, but let's go ahead and take a look at this first and see what's inside, because we do have something in here. So we have our 18-month warranty. So we have to activate the warranty, and in order to get the 18-month warranty, and then there's a quick guide that shows you how to set it up. Taking a look at some of the more important features here, we can see that holding the power button for 3 seconds turns it on, holding it for 3 seconds turns it off, tapping it will play and pause, tapping it will answer or hang up, holding it for 2 seconds will reject the call, tapping it 3 times will activate the voice assistant, or of course you could just use the voice assistant, use your voice to activate it. And then tapping once on the volume up and volume down will lower or raise the volume, and holding the volume up or down will change the song. So let's go ahead and get into the box itself. We do have some accessories here, so let's see what the accessories are. I'm assuming a 3.5mm cable and a USB cable would probably be in here. So let's go ahead and find out. There are some cables in here. Yes, and we have a nice gold 3.5mm cable right there. And then we also have a USB-C charging cable. And now for the product itself. Let's go ahead and get these peels off. So very nice. And let's do one by the mic. Oops. Ooh, very nice. All right, enough joking around. Let's get to the device itself. Wow, these feel amazing. So this is a nice faux leather, but it's super, super soft. And they have the same soft material up top. And then it looks like they do expand out a bit as well. So here on the, what is this? The right side, we have our 3.5mm. We have our USB charging port. We have an indicator light, and then we have the NC button here. And then if we look on the other side, we have a power button, as well as the volume buttons and track changing buttons. And interestingly enough, if you look at these, you can actually see they have measurements. So if you have it at exactly 7 right there, and it does snap to each one. You can make sure it is 7 right there. Oh, and immediately, these aren't even on, but there is a lot of noise canceling going on, even with just these on my ears, not even turned on. Very, very nice. So not only does this have great suppression in terms of just cupping your ear to avoid noise getting out. I'm not sure how they actually did it that well, but it also has built-in noise canceling, which is also very, very cool. Let's go ahead and try the app out real quick. All right, so we can see that the TOZO app has loaded, and it's actually showing blocking external noise on. So if I turn this off and turn on transparency mode, I can actually hear what's going on around me. That's pretty wild how well that works. I can't hear my fan. I can't hear anything. Very cool. You can also choose reduce wind noise, which will ensure that you can still hear voices, but not your fan or things like that. And then there's, of course, adaptive modes and leisure modes and normal modes where you can just have them automatically kind of detect. But I kind of like noise cancellation. That's wild. If we go to EQ, you can see we have a fully adjustable EQ here. And we can choose to add more bass or choose some presets such as, let's say, hip hop, and it'll give us a nice graph there that we can either go in and choose or edit. And you can see that you can actually edit these manually as well. So lots and lots of options with these headphones. It looks like it does have over-the-air updates as well. So I will be updating these as well. And yeah, overall, absolutely solid headset. I'm going to try these a little bit longer and let you know what I think, but so far, I mean, I've used the brand before and this seems like it's going to be just as good. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and as always, hope you have a good one. Peace.
Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect. MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.